Hello guys, welcome back. This is Osmosis FX. Right here today, I want us to take a look at US30. CPI did us well today. It was really amazing in CPI today. So let's quickly go through US30. As of 2 weeks, I was expecting US30 to sell off, to sell back to a proper demand here, but one thing I noticed is anytime price breaks high and taps into the demand, don't sell in any sell-off that is there. It's going to take it out. Any sell-off in this place, this is the sell-off here, and this is the candle. It will only react, but it will take it out and it will head off to where it's going. So that's one eye-opener that I've seen back to back. Just the way I talked about GU, GU didn't really do the sell setup. So let's look at what we have on US30. So this was the last price action reaction, which is this was the last break. This is the break of structure. This is where price broke. Price broke here. This guy, price retraced, tapped into this demand. This is a very successful demand because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, which was impulsive compared to this weak kind of demand. But still, if price was able to break this buy side, then we are still in for the buy side. But if price refuses to break this buy side, then there's a change. So where is my my next outlook on US30? My next outlook on US30 will be this man here. And before I say this man, let's analyze how price changed its character when price got in. So price got in here with a rally base drop. So we have a drop base. Let's say this is the base because we have 3 candles here. This base, this is the base, this is a drop base rally. So this was the first rally base rally. So this is also a confirmation from the buy side. This place here is also a confirmation. So I will indicate here as a change of character. This is where the change of character happened on the weekly. So I'll put in my CH left at the top. So this is where it happened. I'm supposed to specify which CH it is, WCH. Yeah. So I have to demand waiting. This is drop base rally. This is the first rally base. So we expect to see more rally. Now, if I'm going to buy in this zone, let me first lock this 2 zone. If I'm going to buy from this zone, that means US30 has to pull its way to somewhere around here. It has to give us a pretty move to somewhere around here before I can see a retracement to go. Because if you just break this high and come here, well, it can still work. But sometimes if you just break this high pretty like this, it will like to come back here. Because I didn't see a proper move DXY. So I'm still longing US30 though. Why? Because DXY is really dropping. Let's just use DXY weekly view also. The XY is really dropping also, so I'm still longing. I'm still longing this guy here. I'm still longing, so we are still good. You can see that we have 1-2 liquidity that we swept. That makes this zone valid. But here there's no liquidity. That's why I'm more really concerned about this zone. This zone have to react. If this move can pull up a little, then we can now come back here to continue the formation. But if this move just make a small move, I would love it to come back here for a proper push, because on a norm this is a rally-based rally formation which has signified the change of character. This is where the change of character happens. So this is possibility band where more fund is going to be in this zone. Now I'll only either continue this trend or probably wait for price to come back here. So let's say I want to continue this trend. I'm probably going to use my feed here to here, and what price is telling me is to buy around here, stop loss at 0, stop loss here, and my TP should be here. At least major TP should be here. So if I have that, then I will use this influence to look for more buys, on. I use that influence to look for more buys. That's the proper entry. I'll use that influence to look for more buys. So if I'm looking for more buys, let's now go down to 4 hour. I want to go out to 4 hour. Now 4 hour here, we have a lot of reaction going on 4 hour, and this is the next possible buy for me for 4 hour. This is the next possible. So let me just eradicate this. So this will be my next possible buy zone for 4 hour here, 4 hour, and I'm coming. I will explain why. Now I was expecting this extreme sell to extreme 4 hour sell to take price down to this liquidity zone, but the extreme sell was taken out, and after it was taken out, the low was taken again, which taps into this demand, because this was the first in this zone. This was the first impulsive move. We saw 1, 2, 3 candle impulsive move, corrective. Price came, create a liquidity. External range was taken. Price took out internal range, tapped into the demand, and we have a push. So if I see price back into the zone here, if I see price back into the zone here, I would love to enter, and I'll look out for my weekly view. So let me get out to my weekly and see what's my weekly view, which is highlights 4100. That's my weekly view. So let's go to the coordinates 41. Change all this to zoom. Okay, so here I'll make it visible in my hourly, and I'll lock it down. So if I go down to my 4 hour, I'll be able to use it as my profit margin. So I think I have these guys also on my 10 point. which is 47. I don't like that number. I don't like this number. I don't like this number. So I like 41 as a good number. So I would love to take 41 as mine. So what I'm looking at is, you can see we are still inside the demand zone. What I'm looking at is to see price. You can see, I'm looking like my car. Yeah. Minimize. Yeah. If you look out for my previous video, I was expecting price to sell here. This was where I was expecting price to sell. But I didn't set limits. That was what helped me from this loss. I didn't set limits, and I was waiting to see the reaction inside the zone. So what happened is, when price got into this zone, price took it out, which was kind of strange when price took it out. So when price took it out, price came back and tapped into this demand. So this becomes a 4-hour demand, and this becomes a 4-hour demand. So in here, I would love to have my other sets inside the zone. I would love to set my order inside the zone. My stop should be okay here. I love my entry here, my stop there, and my target will be here, 41. So note, this could take 3 weeks, 2 weeks, it's just green. So I'll wait to see if we have, you can see price is rejecting this zone. If price use that small rejection to tap into this zone, I'm going in, I'll take the buys in this zone. Just because of what my weekly has told me. Just because of that, we have a BMS, and this is the immediate, that's what I would say, the immediate, what number is there? Let me put it to a round figure. 95. 95. Yeah. I think 95 is okay. So 95 is fine. Here also 95 is okay. So my stop, let me look at what stop do I have. 31, 119. 31, what do we have now? This is 3900. This is not 3900. Let me see. 39. Let's change all this 100 is a lot of pizza on this guy. So let me change it to 120. 120. 00. So this will be 41. 00. 41. 123. 123. Not bad. If I see a good entry here, I'm surely going to enter. I'm surely going to enter. Surely going to enter. If I see price in this zone, I'll be so glad to enter. I think that's that for US30 for now. I don't want it to be too long. Yes, this is the next zone for US30 buy. And remember, if this zone should be taken out, find a flip. Find a flip, and this is the zone I'll be looking to buy again. But for now, this is my immediate buy zone because of my weekly out view. My weekly out view already told me. So don't show on weekly. Don't disrespect me.
Don't bring your phone. Where's the grandma?
So that's that for US30. Love you guys. See you in the next one.